We have another listing. This is 10,026 square meters, 400 pesos per square meter, located in Barangay Tunga, Baclayon, Bohol, near Tagbilaran City. So doon ni sa Tagbilaran City, guys. Second lot from this concrete road. It has 5 meters road right of way. So it has so many assorted trees. So we can say that the property is in the middle of the jungle. So na siya sa tunga sa mga kakahuyan. So see, then it's elevated. Na-elevate na iya, guys, no? You can see the coconut trees is part of the property. So this is the top view sa ibabaw nga portion sa atong drone. Mao ni siya, guys. So few minutes drive from National Highway or town proper in Baclayon, Bohol or Tagbilaran City. Doon rin siya, guys. Water, electricity are available. So signal also. Kuan, guys, ang signal diri, guys, kanang gitawag og wifi, kanang connect ba kanang linya. So mana, no, this is the right of way, 5 meters wide may gihatag sa owner. 5 meters wide road right of way. So nindot na kay ni 400 pesos per square meter. Then titulado ni siya, guys. Mga anak na ang muperma. So mo na status, guys, no. Nana tunga sa di sa totally tunga pero nagyos kakahuyan. So this is really good. Okay ra sad ni because it's near to Tagbilaran City. Approximately, guys, na as mga 10 meters distance from the road, second lot man. Okay, for inquiries, just contact me and please subscribe our YouTube channel. Then we will process transfer of title. Again, the property we are selling is 10,026 square meters. Titulado, title, located in Barangay Tunga, Baclayon, Bohol. So near Tagbilaran City. Then few minutes drive from Panglao International Airport. So doon ni siya, guys. Dili ni siya layo. Actually, barato-barato gini siya. Kay mga mahal naman diha. Thank you and God bless to all. Happy viewing.